disconnect power and ground. Then remove and tag each lead before lifting the motor out so you never stress wires or blades. When removing and reattaching fan motors during coil cleaning, start by confirming power is off at the service disconnect and test for absence of voltage with a meter. Photograph wiring and orientation before you touch anything so you have a visual reference for reassembly. Label each conductor with removable tags or tape using full color names like black, purple, and brown, and note where each wire routes through cabinet openings to avoid pinching. Loosen and remove mounting bolts while supporting the motor so the fan blade does not drop or strike surrounding components. If the motor is in a base with a shaft coupler or set screws, clean those areas and inspect for corrosion or keyways, and keep fasteners in a small container to avoid loss. When reattaching, place the motor in its mounts without forcing wiring. Route wires through the same openings and secure them with strain relief or tie wraps, so movement during operation will not pull on solder joints or terminals. Common mistakes include pulling on wires instead of the motor body, which can fray or break field leads, so always support the motor and use labeled leads to avoid guesswork. Another frequent error is failing to note fan blade orientation, which can change airflow and balance. Remedy this by taking a clear photograph and marking the hub location if needed. A third issue is over-tightening mounting hardware and distorting the motor flange or misaligning the shaft, which causes vibration. Tighten gradually and spin the fan by hand to check for smoothness before restoring power. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and explore their work histories and project photos to choose who to contact for jobs like coil cleaning and motor handling. We also help contractors connect with homeowners and contribute to our discussion community, where we and others share step-by-step tips, photos, and troubleshooting advice.